Cisco Business Dashboard, CBD, serves as an effective network management tool, catering to Cisco business class switches, routers, and wireless access points. If you're looking to install CBD on VirtualBox, these two videos will get you there. Through the process, you'll need to follow a few different guides and reference a supported devices list. The links to all of these can be found on the CBD support page. The link is in the description. A quick but important note: if you have 25 or fewer Cisco business class devices, you don't need to purchase licenses. If you have more than that, talk to your Cisco partner for details. This walkthrough sets up the dashboard with a local probe enabled to discover the network devices. In this first of a two-part episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll start the process of installing CBD version 2.8.1 on VirtualBox next. To begin, click the link for the support page in the description. Scroll down to the Install and Upgrade guides. Click on the link for Oracle VirtualBox. When it opens, click the link Installing Cisco Business Dashboard. This is the manager. Follow the steps to get the VirtualBox software downloaded and installed on your system. It's important to note that if you're using a Windows system with a built-in virtualization feature, such as Hyper-V, it must be disabled to avoid conflicts with VirtualBox. Additionally, installation should be performed using an administrator account for proper access. The next step is to download the latest version of the Cisco Business Dashboard software, which is 2.8.1 at the time of this recording. Head to software.cisco.com, where you'll select the OVA file for VirtualBox. After the OVA file is downloaded, open the VirtualBox application. Regardless of the version you are using, ensure it is compatible with your device. In VirtualBox Manager, go to the File menu and click on Import Appliance. Under the Appliance to Import option, locate and select the downloaded OVA file. Click Open and agree to the default settings before clicking Import. You may change the installation location if you would like. Click the Import button to initiate the installation process. Upon completion, the installed CBD version will be visible. If you'd like, you can adjust the settings for the newly installed CBD virtual machine by clicking on the Settings button. To start the dashboard, right-click on the virtual machine and select Start, and then Normal Start. When the virtual machine loads, log in using the default credentials, which are both Cisco for the username and password in all lowercase. It's important to change these default credentials immediately for security purposes. Once you're logged in, make a note of the IP address for the administrative web user interface, which has been assigned by the DHCP. It is crucial to ensure that a DHCP server is properly configured within the environment where the Cisco Business Dashboard is deployed. You will need it for Part 2. You may opt to assign a static IP address to the dashboard for consistent network management after setup is complete. That's a wrap for Part 1. Click the link in the description for Part 2, where we will complete the setup of CBD. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.